What's up guys and welcome to the very last video of this course. अब तो ये वीडियो में मैं चाहता तो नहीं बनाता ये वीडियो, बट ये वीडियो में आई ऑल्सो वांट टू गाइड यू कि आफ्टर दिस कोर्स क्या, व्हाट शुड बी योर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू आफ्टर दिस कोर्स. कोर्स ख़त्म करने के बाद क्या करना है अपने को. तो देखो, बेसिकली हर एक ट्रेडर की जर्नी में देर आर कपल ऑफ फेजेस. वन ऑफ द फेज इज़ कि जहाँ पे वो फिगर आउट करते हैं कि उनको करना क्या है. वो फिगर आउट करते हैं, बेसिकली आई कॉल दिस द फिगरिंग आउट फेज, जहाँ पे हर एक ट्रेडर ढूंढता है कि उसके लिए क्या बेस्ट चीज़ है, वो कैसा ट्रेडर है, उसको अपने बारे में और चीज़ें मालूम पड़ती है, फिर इसकी साइकोलॉजी पॉलिश होती है. तो ये जो फिगरिंग आउट फेज है, yeah, the content that you have in this course, this content is more than enough for you to get out of your figuring out phase and become a good enough trader. बट उसके बाद एक ऐसा फेज आएगा जहाँ पे यू विल बी अ गुड ट्रेडर बट यू वोंट बी ग्रोइंग एज गुड. तो हाउ कैन यू exponentially grow even after you develop the base? Because to be very honest, ये course से it is not a course that will make you a very advanced trader. It is not a course that will make you an exponential amount of trader. It is not a course that will make you a hedge fund manager. यू गेट मी. बेसिकली ये कोर्स एक ऐसा है जो आपके ट्रेडिंग जर्नी का एक जो स्टेपिंग स्टोन है उसको बहुत स्मूथ कर देगा एंड आपका जर्नी बहुत ज़्यादा किक स्टार्ट कर देगा. बट दिस कोर्स विल नॉट टेक यू टू फार, right? And obviously, for 2,500, for 5,000 rupees, what more do you want? This is more than enough. But the reason I am making this video is to give you guys some insight. तो देखो क्या होता है पता है, when you are a good trader, it is very important कि you are also around other good traders and you are also constantly growing. You are also constantly getting more insights from the other good traders, for the market participants, basically what the big players are doing. And personally ये जो phase है मेरे career में, I am currently, I would say, in this particular phase, because in case if we don't know, I have a hedge fund over here in Dubai and I have a lot of good connections with a lot of investment and private bankers over here and a lot of big hedge fund traders as well. So this is helping me a lot to grow. Now you will ask कि अब मैं तो दुबई मूव कर नहीं सकता, I cannot do all of this, so how can I do this? अब देखो, like I told you, I have taught almost everything you need to become a good trader and develop a good base. But there are still a lot of things that I haven't taught in this course which are beyond technicals and beyond basics, right? Like a lot of tools, like how to build a trading system, how to identify historical patterns, historical data analysis. So all the advanced things that will take you to the next level in the world of trading. And if you are very very serious about this, you are welcome to join my inner circle. If you don't know what is an inner circle, you probably are not a member of my Discord community. तो अगर आप Discord community के member भी नहीं हो तो पहले तो Discord community join करो, because एक community का होना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, यू डोंट रियलाइज कि वो आपको कितना बेनिफिट करेगा. हंड्रेड्स ऑफ ट्रेडर्स, राइट नाउ वी आर 1,200 traders in the community, and hundreds and thousands of traders have benefit immensely from the Discord community. तो Discord community join करो, spend some time. मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि after completing this course you get my Discord, you get my inner circle subscription. No. What I'm trying to say कि this course will only get you so far, and a lot of people are not even honest about it. But I am being honest because I want you to have a clarity. I want you to have a path कि भाई ये कोर्स के बाद क्या, right? So after this course, I believe it will take you 6 months to a year to actually figure out your journey and actually understand what you are doing. But उसके बाद क्या, अपने को ट्रेडिंग 1 साल के लिए तो करना नहीं है, 2 साल के लिए तो करना नहीं है. अगर आपको लाइफ टाइम ट्रेडिंग करना है, like I told you, you need to be well connected, you need to be working with good traders. And that's where I come in, because if you want to take your learning to the exponential level, if you want to interact with me live, I have a certain thing called inner circle, where basically it is like a close friend group of mine जहाँ पे हम लोग almost thrice or 4 times a week meeting करते हैं. We talk about our trades. तो basically it's only for advanced and profitable traders जो already market से अच्छा पैसा कमा रहे हैं, so that the inner circle subscription is not bothering them much. तो इट इज़ नॉट फॉर न्यू ट्रेडर्स एट ऑल. एंड आप डायरेक्टली उसको नहीं खरीद सकते, आपको उसको अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. आई विल गो थ्रू योर एप्लीकेशन, आपको आप एक्सेप्ट हो गए तभी आप उसको खरीद सकते हो. तो इफ़ यू आर थिंकिंग जस्ट फ्रॉम मनी यू विल बाई इट, यू कैन नॉट. इट इज़ ओनली फॉर एडवांस ट्रेडर्स. So this is just a guidance from me to you that if you would like to take your journey to the next level, to the advanced level, and excel in this financial markets, you are welcome to join me and trade with me live in the inner circle. So all the best. I wish you guys the best. And for my closing verdict, I would like to say कि ये जो course है, this is pretty much everything that you need to figure out things. But this does not mean that आप learning छोड़ दोगे. You should always and always keep on learning, and most importantly अपने losses सीखो, because सबसे ज़्यादा learning आपको आपके losses देंगे. And always look at your losses as market fees that you pay for lessons to the market. So all the best to you guys, and I hope this course was valuable for your money and your time. I wish you guys the best. I hope all of you become